Hi everyone, this is Sandhya and I'm here again with another exciting internship opportunity under Government of India. This opportunity is under the Ministry of Women and Child Development, and this opportunity is specifically only for the women candidates. So this is one of the prestigious organization of a nation which is working for the women and for the child development, and there's so many projects which are linked to it. So we will be here looking into what is the purpose and objective of the internship opportunity which is provided by this ministry. हम ये भी जानेंगे कि क्या एलिजिबिलिटी है और कौन कौन इसके लिए अप्लाई कर सकता है. Thirdly, we will also look into the application process कि कैसे हमें अपनी फॉर्म अपनी डिटेल्स फुलफिल करने और कैसे हमारा सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर होगा. फोर्थली, हम ये जानेंगे कि इस इंटर्नशिप की ड्यूरेशन क्या है. एंड लास्टली वी विल ऑल्सो नो अबाउट कि इस इंटर्नशिप के लिए इंसेंटिव्स क्या मिलेंगे. एंड स्पेसिफिकली एज I said, it is for women candidates. There are a lot of other incentives which are involved in it as well. So firstly, looking into the purpose and objectives, ये इंटर्नशिप बेस्ड है एक थीम पे. वो थीम है सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास एंड सबका प्रयास. So this internship will want to take young minds to undertake some pilots projects or micro studies which is relating to the ongoing activities of the ministry. जैसा कि नाम से इंडिकेट होता है, ये मिनिस्ट्री काम करती है चाइल्ड और वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट और वुमेन डेवलपमेंट के लिए. इसलिए जो प्रोजेक्ट्स है वो इसी थीम लाइन पे बेस होंगे. एंड इंटर्न्स को एक्सपोजर और एक क्वालिटेटिव एक्सपोजर मिलेगा एक मीनिंगफुल इंटरेक्शन के लिए, स्किल्स डेवलपमेंट के लिए और बहुत सारा नॉलेज के लिए. मीनिंगफुल इंटरेक्शन का मतलब ये है कि while you are working under this internship, you get to interact with so many other commissions, other institutes, other departments of the government organizations like National Commission of Women, and वहाँ से आप अपने insights ले सकते हैं and you can prepare your report as well. When we look into the eligibility of this internship, as I said, it is for women candidates. So, women students, scholars, social activists, and teachers from non Tier 1 cities and rural parts of India will be eligible for the program. सो दो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ हमें यहाँ नोट करनी है. विमेन स्टूडेंट, स्कॉलर, सोशल एक्टिविस्ट और टीचर्स ही पार्ट ले सकते हैं. नंबर टू, ये जो इंटर्नशिप है इट इज़ फॉर द कैंडिडेट्स हु आर फ्रॉम द रूरल पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया और हु आर फ्रॉम द नॉन टायर 1 सिटीज़. तो अगर आप दिल्ली, मुंबई, कोलकाता जैसी जगहों से हैं, सो यू कैन नॉट अप्लाई फॉर दिस इंटर्नशिप. इट इज़ मेनली फॉर द नॉन टायर 1 सिटीज़ एंड रूरल पार्ट्स. एंड सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज कि जो भी वुमेन कैंडिडेट्स इंटर्नशिप के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, दे नीड टू बी एनरोल्ड या फिर वो एसोसिएट होनी चाहिए किसी भी एक यूनिवर्सिटी, एकेडमिक या नॉन एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूशन से. ये तो बेसिक एलिजिबिलिटी है. एक एज लिमिट की जो एलिजिबिलिटी है वो है कि आप 21 to 40 ईयर्स के हो सकते हो. इसका मतलब ये है कि बहुत सारे इंटर्नशिप जो सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स को इंटर्न हायर करती है, ये इंटर्नशिप आपको एक वाइडर फ्रेम ऑफ इंटर्नशिप एंड एप्लीकेशन प्रोसीजर प्रोवाइड करती है जहाँ पे आप till 40 years of age you can apply. So it is not just for the student, it is for the teachers, social activists as well. So if we'll talk about the duration of this internship, ये internship 2 महीने के लिए होती है और आप कोई से भी 2 महीने सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो एक साल के अंदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we are publishing this video in July 2024. अगर 1 August to 10th August when the application process will start, वहाँ पे they will give you a option to select 2 months. You can select any of the 2 months. It could be, for example, September, October, or it could be October, November as well. All right. So you can select these 2 months as well as एक बैच में they will take 20 interns. Alright, so अगर हमने डिस्कस करा that it is for women candidates, secondly we discuss about that it will be the women candidates from the rural parts of India and the non-tier 1 cities. It means that they will be taking women candidates and interns from across India and from the different parts of India which are obviously far off from Delhi. And as this internship is based in Delhi, they have to come to the Delhi. तो इस internship के जो incentives है उसके अंदर एक better internship, better incentive opportunities have, especially regarding to the travel reimbursements. So let us look into the incentives first. Number one, आपको यहाँ पे एक lump sum stipend मिलेगा of ₹20,000 per month. इस स्टाइपेंड के अलावा एज अ सेड आप रूरल एरिया, दूर के एरिया से दिल्ली में स्टेशन होंगे या फिर आप इवन इफ यू आर नियर टू दिल्ली, यू विल गेट a reimbursement of the travel cost by Dulux AC bus or 3-tier AC train. अगर ड्यूरिंग द इंटर्नशिप आपको किसी भी टूर पे या फिर किसी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को विजिट करने के लिए वट एवर द टूर्स दैट यू अंडरटेकिंग उसके ट्रैवल रिम्बर्समेंट्स भी आपको प्रोवाइड करे जाएंगे एंड ऑब्वियसली यू विल गेट अ सर्टिफिकेट ऑन द सक्सेसफुल कंप्लीशन ऑफ द इंटर्नशिप. इन incentives के अलावा भी there are certain more exciting incentives. For example, you will get a hostel facility on sharing basis. So एक ट्रिपल शेयरिंग की हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी आपको मिलेगी. इस हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी में आपको बेड मिल सकता है, टेबल मिल सकती है, बट अदर थिंग्स लाइक मैट्रेसेस, मेस चार्जेस ये सब इंक्लूडेड नहीं है एंड यू हैव टू पे फॉर देम सेपरेटली. This hostel facility will also be available to you 2 days prior to the start of the program and up to 2 days after the end of the program, which means अगर आपकी इंटर्नशिप 1 अगस्त से स्टार्ट हो रही है, so from 30 and 31st July आपकी hostel facility आपको मिल जाएगी, so you can travel and you can lodge your belongings there. And lastly, all the necessary logistic supports, for example stationery, internet facility, sitting arrangement जो भी आपको आपके काम के लिए चाहिए वो मिनिस्ट्री आपको प्रोवाइड करेगी. So I think this internship stand out to be one of the best internship in the terms of incentives if we see it that way. All right. So if you talk about the application process, the whole application process is online. You have to submit your internship application at their portal. I have given the link here as well and also attached the link in the description below. You can go and check out there as well and apply for the same. A very important point is that you can submit your application process only during the 1st to 10th of every November, every month, sorry, which means that every month from 1st to 10th you can apply for the same, and for the rest part of the month you cannot apply for the internship and then you have to wait for the next month. The selection is done by a selection committee which will choose the interns, and the selected candidates will have to submit the declaration of secrecy. सो ये डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ सिक्रेसी कुछ नहीं, ये एक आपका सिग्नेचर होगा एक ऐसे डॉक्यूमेंट पे विच विल इंश्योर दैट यू विल मेंटेन द सिक्रेसी ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड द डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट हैज बीन प्रोवाइडेड टू यू बाय द मिनिस्ट्री. When we look more into the application process, it is very important to know what you need beforehand. There are certain documents and information that you need to put in there in the application form. Since this is an online process, you have to first register yourself with some basic details like your email ID, your name, contact number, and such of information. After you register yourself, you have to log in into the portal again with your same email ID and the password that you have created. After this, you will have to write about your academic details like educational qualification. This also includes the name of the institute and the email of the head of the institute. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आप यहाँ पे एक चीज़ नोट करना कि एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन के अंदर दे विल आस्क यू टू थिंग्स विच इज़ द education qualification that you have completed and your current institute. I will give you example. For example, if I am an MCOM student of second year at Delhi School of Economics, then my current institute is Delhi School of Economics. But in the field of writing, what is my highest educational qualification? I will not write MCOM because I'm actually pursuing it currently. My highest qualification of education is BCom. So there I will put my BCom as a highest qualification. When it comes to the documents which needs to be uploaded, it is very important that you note down beforehand and prepare them in advance. You need an ID proof. It can be Aadhaar card as well. It can also, you will need address proof. This again includes Aadhaar card as well, and it could also be your class 10 certificate if it have your address onto them. 10. You need an admission certificate of the current institute. For example, as I said, if I study in Delhi School of Economics, I will need to provide an admission certificate, any ID card or something that proves that I'm a part of this institute and I'm studying there. Fourthly, I also need a highest educational qualification certificate. So, as I said, if I have completed my bachelor's in commerce, then I will have to provide the certificate of that degree that I have completed. And apart from these four documents, you also need a photograph and signature. So this was the information that I need to provide you regarding the internship at Ministry of Child and Women Development. I also want to add a few pointers as well. I have talked to a lot of people who have actually applied for this internship as well as the ones that have already done this internship. I would like to add that while the internship opportunity is provided to you and you can fill the application from 1st to 10th of the November, please try to fill the application form as soon as possible because it stands out your chance of being selected. And secondly, I'm not really sure about that, but what I have encountered and what I have learned about is that they prefer people from law and sociology background. But it does not actually mean that people from other background and other educational qualifications will not be preferred. This is a diverse internship opportunities, and they do include so many diverse backgrounds and educational qualifications with them, and therefore it is provides one of the perfect opportunities for women candidates to apply and to get exposure to the government policy implementation as well as policy formulation and to get insights into the working of the ministry towards the child and women development. So this was from my side. I have attached the link of the internship and the other details and other guidelines relating to the internship, which ministry has shared in the description below. You can check out that as well. Please let me know if you have any other queries regarding the internship, and if you want to know more about the other internship, please let me know in the comment section. Also, please do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.